In the past, Croatia, Serbia and Bosnia and Herzegovina had traditionally been oriented towards small and medium enterprises, trades and crafts, which have been severely hit and almost put out of business by the economic system of former Yugoslavia, which was fond of large conglomerates in public property. The destructive wars at the beginning of the 1990s, the transition of economic and political systems, and the global economic crisis by the end of the first decade of the 21st century didn't go hand in hand with the development of small and medium enterprises on the territory of southeastern Europe. But it were the transition and the downfall of large conglomerates, as well as the tendency of minimizing public administration and state companies, that led to a rise in interest of forming one's private business and the realization of enterprising ideas. In such an economic climate, the Association of Local Democracy Agencies, ALDA, offered a hand in starting a small enterprising project. ALDA is a European non-governmental association which, in cooperation with its members, the local democracy agencies, is oriented at strengthening local democracy and promoting the respect of human rights and sustainable development. Since 1993, a total of 11 local democracy agencies have been established all over southeastern Europe and Georgia. By the end of 2006, ALDA launched a project microcredit scheme for small enterprises. During 2007, there had been a 2009, the granting and placing of credits which ALDA and the Council of Europe Development Bank, CEB, took place on the territories of Croatia, Serbia and Bosnia and Herzegovina. It is being implemented with the help of Privredna Banka Zagreb plc, a series of education programs for coordinators of the microcredits project of all the local democracy agencies to prepare the non-financial support for the program. In 2008, a promotion and execution of credit lines has been launched. In 2000, Banka Intesa Beograd and Banka Intesa Bosnia and Herzegovina, members of the group Intesa Sao Paulo, and with the fundamental support of the Norwegian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The capital is provided by the Council of Europe Bank at an advantaged rate and the affiliates of the Bank Intesa Sao Paulo. The main goal of the project is to encourage job creation in Croatia, Serbia and Bosnia and Herzegovina and to help small entrepreneurs in the realization of their ideas. Microcredits are granted to craftspeople, familial rural economies and small and medium enterprises. The novelty in relation to existing credits is that complete beginners can also apply. Everyone who, except for a good and innovative business idea for starting an independent business, have nothing else. The amount and conditions of microcredits are different in the three states, with the smallest one being 1,000 euros and the maximum being 30,000 euros. They are granted for a period of 6 months to 6 years. The simple interest rate is very attractive, from 4.5 up to 6% yearly, with the grace period lasting a year. The Norwegian Ministry of Foreign Affairs has secured the funds of local democracy agencies, which offer free advisory services on site to all interested individuals for this credit line. The local democracy agencies create a contact with a potential entrepreneur, inform the entrepreneurs of investment possibilities, define the investments, and provide support to the entrepreneur when it comes to constructing a business plan and applying for credit demands. After admitting the credit demand, the members of the group Intesa Sao Paulo analyze them and bring forth the final decision of granting the credits to entrepreneurs. For the first phase of execution, the Council of Europe Development Bank has provided the funds for the credit line in total of 2 million euros, which have served as a source for microcredits and have later been forwarded to users in Serbia, Croatia and Bosnia and